Hi, welcome to another render demo video tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how to draw a cat. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the cat sitting or kind of standing in a nice upright position. So we're going to draw a head shape here. So it's going to be kind of like a round, a little bit more of a horizontal shape. So I'm going to start in the middle of the page, a little bit closer to the top, and we'll do a round shape like this. It's a little bit flatter, and we'll go the same on this side, just like that. And then next we'll draw the body. So we're going to start out on this side here, and we're going to come down, and we're going to extend off of the head out in this direction a little bit. So we'll come down like this, and then we'll hook over and soft curve like that. And on this side, we'll kind of mirror the same of the left, but have a little bit of a kink about halfway, somewhere around here. So we'll come out, come in a bit, and come back out, and then round that like this. So the next step, we'll draw some ears. So we'll have two ears on either side. One will come up like this, and then come back down. And you don't want to go right to the center, so we'll leave a little bit of some room from where the center is. And then we'll do the same on the other side. Come up, and then hook over, and come back down. Now we'll draw a couple lines here for the front arms. So we'll start about halfway and over closer to this edge here. So we'll come down and we'll come towards the center, and then we'll curve back down. And then if you draw a little line here to kind of show where the center point is between this location and that location, somewhere around here. Let's draw the other side of this arm right around there. So we'll start about here, and then we'll curve towards that spot there. And then we'll do the same on the other side. So right about here, where this little bend happens, we'll mimic this shape here. So we'll curve in, and then back down. And then we'll mirror this shape over here, like that. We will also draw a little line that connects the two of these like that. So the next step, we will draw some paws. So we'll draw similar to this shape of the head. We'll draw some smaller ones at the end of these two shapes here. So go ahead and draw one here, like that. And we'll do the same on the other side, like this. And then we'll draw a second one for the back leg. And we'll draw that a little bit higher, just a tad higher, like this. And if you want to draw through the other shape, you can. We'll do the same on this side. Just like that. Let's draw some shapes in here for where the chest is. So about halfway of the length here, somewhere about here, we'll draw a line up. We'll do the same on this side. And then we'll draw a line right from here, just a little bit higher than these 2 points, right around here. We'll come down, straight down almost. We'll hook over and then back up, and we'll come off of that same line for the other side. Almost like a W, but the center of the W is really long, like that. Next, let's add some details to the ears. So I will offset this line about this much, and then come back, and this line here will be closer to the edge of the ear. So we'll do the same on this side. We'll be closer here, and then we'll come down and be a little bit wider there. Now let's draw some eyes. So about halfway, like this, we'll draw one eye here, and then another eye there, and then we'll take the inner part of the eye and we'll come down like this, and then we'll draw a triangle for the nose that's pointing down. Then from there we can draw a little mouth like that, and then we can draw some pupil shapes, so these little oval shapes that are from top to bottom, going up and down like that. And then we'll draw a shape around the mouth area here. So what we'll do is we're going to come off of the eye, and we're for this left side, we're going to come off the eye and we're going to hook to the left, and then we're going to come back towards the middle like that, almost touching the bottom. And then for the chin, we're going to come down like that, and then we'll do the same on this side. We'll come down, we'll hook over like that, and then finish off the chin like this. Then we can draw a couple little lines here for kind of where the eyebrow is. And then we'll add the tail in. So we'll put the tail on the left side here, and we'll hook it in this direction like this, out to the left and then back in. So just be cognizant of how far you are from the edge of the paper. So I will start from this point here. So touching the paw, the back paw here, we're going to come out almost horizontal. So we'll come out this way, and then we'll hook in, coming down a bit, and then we'll round this over, and then we'll come out like that, and then back in like that. And then let's add some details for the paws. So we'll draw a couple lines like that. They can be straight or they can have a slight curve to the left. We'll curve it to the left, and on this side here we can curve them to the right just a little bit like that. And then now we'll finish off a few details on the upper body. So this bend that we have here, we'll do a similar bend over here, but this will be closer to where the leg is. So the body will come down like this, and then hook back out like that, and we'll end up erasing this line here. And then for the shoulders, we'll create these curves that come like this, and then we'll have a smaller one over here like that. And then we can draw some eyelash, not eyelash, but like eyebrow kind of shapes. So we'll go close to this shape here. We're going to start on the right side, and we'll go 1, and these have a slight curve to them, 2, 3, and then we'll do the same on this side. Go up, 1, 2, 3. And then you can draw some whiskers. So we can put 3 or 4 whiskers, and the whiskers will come from right around this area. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from those little 4 points, we can curve these out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll do the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these will come this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. And those are the steps to draw this cat. Now we can stop here and start to fill in with a Sharpie just remembering that the objects or shapes that are in front, I would color those in or draw those in first. I'll go ahead and add some color now. Some grays. I'm going to grab my gray markers and just kind of add a little bit of color for my cat. My cat's going to be a gray cat, and it's going to have some white paws and a white chin. I'll probably do some like white area around at the end of the tail. So it's going to be kind of like a silvery gray cat. So there you go, there's my drawing on how to create a cat in a few simple steps. I hope you liked this video and want to check out some more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.